Hello peoples, we are going to study on page number 53, study sport, exercise number 8, say and write. Айт және де оқы дейді. First, tall, taller. 2, good, better. 3, funny, funnier. 4, small, smaller. 5, fat, fatter. 6, noisy, noisier. 7, bad, worse. 8, short, shorter. 9, dirty, dirtier. Exercise number 9. Thinking cap. Read and make sentences as in the example. Оқы және де сөйлемдерді жаса дейді. Мысал берілген, сол бойынша жасаймыз. Number 1. Bike, fast, motorbike. Motorbikes are faster than bikes. Мотоциклдер велосипедке қарағанда жылдамырақ дейді. Number 2. Cars are safer than scooters. Number 3. Minibuses are slower than trams. Number 4. Planes are noisier than hot air balloons. Number 5. Trains are cheaper than planes. Subscribe to my channel Learn English with me.